Have you ever heard anything about the car show in America? I am sure there is a car for everyone at the show. 67% promised electric cars will be introduced. The world is preparing to give up oil. Mercedes will finally show its Maybach in bottle color and launch a new fashion for this shape. Pickup trucks will be introduced in every brand. Yeah, and Kia's gonna enter the pickup market. And the Disney-inspired car for teenage girls from Hyundai, Cadillac plans to exit the American market. See you soon in our YouTube channel.